She has faced a lot of hardships, and just recently she lost her peers. It as a symbol of everything she has accomplished. Her mother in life is
Our first major award is the People's Choice Award. This award goes to candidate number 6. With 2,227 heart reactions.
Mamaya pati wala pang eyeshadow. Sa kanya siguro. Mamaya pa yung Darla.
Ako na oh, Bukayo. Laruso. Darla Laruso.
Okay na yan. Hawa ka mo dito. Ipapatunod dito.
dun sa mga candidates at saka sa mga handlers, dun sa backstage, supposed to be dapat lang number 1 to 3 per candidate, no? Maximum 4 including the candidates. So yung mga wala dun, kung di mo kasama sa
Ano yung candidate number?
third candidate, tapos tayo sa backstage.
Wait lang, di pa tapos oh.
And of course, ang isuwilan po tayo sa mga volunteers na designated po sa backstage. Punta na po kayo sa mga positions, no? Again, supposed to be 1 is to 3 per candidate lang po. So, huwag po kayo magagalit kapag backstage. Kasi mag-crowd po tayo.
Tsaka di ko yung mag-eyeshadow. Bakit yung mag-eyeshadow? Gusto ko yung kilisita.
Bakla ka pala, Ruso.
Wait lang, sarong-sarong daw kasi.
Sabi ko yung pag ano no. Ay, dahil lang pag may nasonggal mo. Dahil lang tutok na yung buhok. Saan na siya dalahin? Ako na tayo.
Wait lang, nagkinukulit ko ha.
Ano yung ibang way yung kulot? Ang gusto inano niya mo yung ingredient eh. Sino mo ano ko? Sabi mo wala nang eyeshadow. Wala ka pala yung kulay mo yung ilagay mo dyan ah. Brown. Eksena tatlong kamay. Ariel, tatlong kamay. Ay, laro ma? Laro niyo ako? Pinasok lang tao. Ako yung laro. Teka lang, dadagdagan ako. Oh, may ano na yan, ma, sa girl.
plastic babaw. Ang plastic yun na ano, na puti lang na plastic.
Ay, kaya ko kahirap pa Darda. Kaya ko to. Hindi ka na nga makain ka katawa. Ano ka blue? Sabi may Darda. Back to zero ulit. Back to zero. Ang ganda ko dito. Ang ganda ko dito. Kabalikot. YouTube lang nakita ko. Yun na ano ba? Huwag lang po tutulog.
Tamos, ah.
Tawa-tawa ka nga. Blend ko lang. Ay, blend lang yan eh.
Hindi na ito pang trend, pamura. Yan.
Tama naman talaga yung kulay blue.
Maganda naman, Drew.
Ayan naman. Dito, hindi mo i-blend. Kaya ko ito ilabas.
Aquatic ang peg mo, no? Queen of the Ocean.
Avatar.
Hindi, super Serena Queen of the Ocean.
Kaya ito ba?
A few moments later.
Ano pa ito na? Ay, ito.
Got secrets I can't tell. White velvet gown is inspired by the beauty and freedom of the Paru-Paro Festival, symbolizing transformation, hope, and new beginnings. Like the Paru-Paro, trail nobles stand just one. Proof that beauty is not always seen in the waves,
luxury and dramatic vibe, evoking the grandeur of a modern queen in this deep emerald masterpiece. Crafted from
ang kanyang kasuotan ay kakulay ng kalinisan at kapayapaan.
bigger, designed to catch every flows with every movement. This ensemble perfectly captures the essence of a modern queen. Bold,
They're always there to support her whatever path she takes. Even at this pageant, her friends proudly shouting her name. Grace
followed by candidate number 6, Ayin Vamalia. This gown is a creation of Miss Kate Monte Carlo artist. And this gown is like a vision, reborn draped in a breathtaking black masterpiece that embodies power, mystery, and transformation. This gown is a homage to the Midland Woods. Like the phoenix, she rises from the ashes, not to to return to what she was, but to become who she was meant to be. She's a queen, she by her struggles and experiences. Since she was a child, she has faced a lot of hardships, and just recently, she lost both of her parents that broke her heart. But that also made her strong. Behind her graceful walk and radiant smile is her story of perseverance, determination, and quiet courage. Truly a queen who doesn't just wear a crown in her head, but embodies who wears it as a symbol of everything she has accomplished. Her modern life is every moment counts, every steps matters. Once again, candidate number 6, Ay Damanya.
Candidate honors is exquisitely adorned with intricate beadwork, pearl tassel, and crystal embellishments arranged in geometric patterns, creating a sculpted and luminous silhouette.
Just My Collections by Powerhouse. This album spirits elegance and luxury. And lavish gown draws inspiration from black material flowers.
In liquid gold, this floor sweeping gown is a masterpiece of light and texture. The silhouette features a precision tailored bodice adorned with hand-placed aurora borealis rhinestones that catch the light with every movement.
I've always liked to play with fire.
Designed by Joel Dulcet, a yellow gown that primarily symbolizes joy, optimism, energy, and warmth, often acting as a sunshine garment that radiates positivity. In
My soul got secrets I can't tell. I've always liked to play with fire.
Around of applause with our SK chairman.
Pasabog, may award ng mama. May award ng mama. May t-shirt kay mama.
Yung choice and choices and clothing line.
Wow!
Maraming salamat
T-shirt
po.
kay mama.
Congratulations, candidate number 6.
the minor awards and today, nakatanggap ng ating major award for tonight. Our first major award is the People's Choice Award. This award goes to candidate number 6. Candidate number 6. The 2027 Heart Reactions.
Wow! Celebrate po.
100%.